What's up? So today we're gonna do the smoothie challenge for y'all, and we wanna thank you all for sending us suggestions for all the ingredients
Yeah, we've got all of them, 7 good ones.
and 7 really yucky ones.
So here's how this is gonna work. We've got these cups. We're gonna write down the names of the ingredients, put them in each cup, and mix them up, and then see who gets what.
And neither one of us will know what we're getting. But first, we need to prepare.
So are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
So pick a cup.
You pick a cup.
Oh, I'm gonna go with the one in the middle. Banana!
Oh.
Yay!
That's a good one. Come hither, my friend.
Please be apple cider vinegar.
I don't mind that actually that much. Chocolate sauce! Oh my god, you cannot get better than that. Here we go, come here.
That's it. Don't go overboard with the chocolate sauce to drown all the other flavors.
That's what I was doing.
I know what you're doing.
Okay, you go.
Oh, the closest one. Be nice. Pineapple! Mine's gonna be a real smoothie, Vibhu. Yours is gonna be like.
You took both the fruits, man.
Took both
What is
of
wrong
them.
with you?
Come on. Some pineapple.
Next up, we go for this one. Sushi.
Yes.
Oh my god.
yes.
Chocolate sushi.
There is a god.
Chocolate sushi. Alright.
Yuck. This is gross. I love sushi, but this is gross. Plop one in there. Ugh.
Ugh.
Yeah. Come on, yogurt.
Tabasco.
I can do it Tabasco.
Actually, Tabasco is not so bad.
Yeah, it's not so bad. Mustard. Yeah.
Mustard.
Yuck.
Mustard with pineapple and banana. That's not.
And this is really strong mustard. It's not even
So
like
yeah, you gotta be generous. Oh yeah. You're on the right track.
yuck.
Okay, so let's go for the closest one. I have a bad feeling about this one.
I think we need apple cider vinegar. yes. God is really on my side today.
Let's.
Your smoothie is not looking good, friend.
Not at all.
There's chocolate sauce, sushi, and
Not
apple
much of a
cider
smoothie.
vinegar. Yeah. Oh my god.
Is that good?
Yeah. You've actually taken pretty much most of the bad stuff except for the hummus and the olives. Yeah.
Which
Oh,
is in
no.
this.
Honey! I don't think I've ever been so happy to get honey. I hate honey, but today I love honey.
Man, this is so not going my way.
Trevor, you've been a bad boy.
This is so not going my way.
A spoonful of honey helps the medicine go down.
Come on, be my friend now.
Hummus.
Hummus and chocolate sauce. Olives.
Oh, let me help you with that. So we didn't get seedless olives, so
Yeah, I have to do the dirty work.
Vibhav has to do the dirty work, and then drink that.
More?
One more.
Wow, why is this happening to me?
Come on, yogurt, 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 yogurt.
Kale chips.
Oh, I forgot about the kale chips.
Well, that's not good.
And they're like,
Thai sweet chili kale
Yeah.
chips. Put some more.
that's enough.
No, put some more. Come on.
Come on, that's enough. I've never really eaten kale chips, have you? They're not bad. Kind of like,
They don't bad at all.
yeah,
But they're spicy.
they're spicy.
Okay, my turn. Here we go. Let's see what I've got.
It better be hummus. It is hummus. Oh my god.
What are you doing to me, Lord? What are you doing to me? Sweet.
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh, that looks disgusting.
Yuck. That is gross. Okay, so we have 4 left.
Yeah.
I think the worst ones you've taken, so
Yeah,
there's no fear.
Where's the peanut butter, man?
Yogurt! See, you ask for something and it will arrive. Pass me the yogurt, please.
Dude, what is happening, man? That's not bad. Yeah, that's enough.
Fine, let me be generous with it and drown everything else.
Peanut butter!
Now you want peanut butter with that? Like, seriously?
Chocolate sauce and peanut butter have been ruined for me, man.
Two left!
Let's go together.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
Tabasco
Oreos!
sauce. Oh my god, Tabasco sauce. This really isn't my
well.
challenge, dude. The smoothie looks so good, man.
The only thing that messed it up is the kale chips and the mustard, but no.
Yeah, look at
You
this.
should stop, that's really spicy. And now we're gonna add some orange juice to that, to that sushi mixture. Oh, that's it, you don't have to put so much. Yeah!
That's disgusting, man.
Are you ready to blend?
Yeah, I guess. Ew, it smells so bad. Oh god. There's like crab in this, right? Oh.
Are you ready, Vibhav?
I will never be ready for this.
This is not.
It stinks.
Ugh.
It stinks. Oh my god. I got sushi in this. Crab sushi. With chocolate sauce. And peanut butter. Yuck.
Drink up, Vibhav. Cheers.
Chin chin. First you go.
I taste the masalas of the mustard. It's like got a zing to it. It's fruity with a zing, but it's not that bad. But it's spicy. What did that taste
That
like?
is the most disgusting thing I've ever put in my mouth.
What does it taste like? Like
It's-
if you had to give it like,
It's like vomit.
yuck!
So what's the deal? Like I have
So
to finish it?
Whoever finishes it wins. If both finish it, both win. If nobody finishes, nobody wins. But I am ready for a win.
Wow.
There's still a sip left.
so bad. But I finished it. A win. A win. There's a sip left. Oh man, that's like puke.
Finished it. We won the smoothie challenge. We won the smoothie challenge. Mine really wasn't a challenge, but what else?
Mine was, it was like drinking vomit.
Your own vomit?
Yeah, sometimes when it
Like
comes
it's
up,
like
you know, you eat too much, it comes out a little bit
Yeah,
here on your
stop
throat,
it. No,
and
you're
you
being
gulp it
disgusting.
back.
You're disgusting. But yeah, we finished our smoothies.
Yes, we finished it.
So yeah, we won.
Thank you for liking and commenting on this video, and we shall see you guys next Wednesday.
Yes.